Alright guys, how's it going? This is my 1986 Toyota Tercel SR5. I had pulled it out of a field. It had been sitting there since 2009 roughly, potentially longer, with a bad transmission in it. When I got into the interior was completely devastated, full of cat pee and hair and stuff like that. So I wish I would have taken some videos of cleaning it out, so I figured I'd at least shoot one of the engine bays as I clean it out. I pulled the motor out of it a couple of weeks back. Planning on going through it, doing a bunch of gaskets and seals and stuff like that, and an overbore if it needs it, but I'm hoping we'll get lucky. But either way, I figured I'd shoot a video of myself pressure washing it out. This is my buddy's Harbor Freight pressure washer, nothing special, but does the job, and I'll be using the CRC Pro Strength degreaser stuff. I saw this on one of Mike Finnegan's videos from Finnegan Garage, and the stuff kind of impressed me. It says you don't have to rinse it off, you can just spray it and let it soak, but I'm gonna spray it off and hit it with a pressure washer afterwards, and we'll kind of see how it looks when it's done. So here we go. Hopefully all this emission stuff will be getting pulled out for a Weber carburetor anyway, so I'm not too terribly worried about it. And if it is, I've got backup cars with decent emissions components if a handful of them are bad, but not too terribly worried about it. Stuff definitely has kind of a potent smell to it, but get a ton on that cross member. This cross member is really nasty. Come up and show you guys. This cross member now it's all foam, but it's completely full of garbage. So hit some of this up there a little bit better. Woo! Give me for the poor camera angles. I'm trying to work this with a tripod real quick, but alright. Okay, blast a little bit more. Some of the nooks and crannies. Get under the tranny hump right there. The firewall one more time. Strut bar. Hitting the front end, all the cross member stuff. Hit this side really good. Hit this hood another little bit right here. Sweet, well, I'm gonna keep it spraying a couple more times, let it soak up, and then we'll hit it with the pressure washer, see how she looks. Alright, it's been soaking for roughly 10 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the pressure washer. Seem to be starving it for water. Uno momento. Alright, a little more in the engine bay now. Alrighty, been soaking again for another 10 minutes on my second spray. I used about the second half of the can. I'll probably a little less than half the can, so let me give it a shot again and see if I can't get this to look a wee bit better. Well, it's starting to look quite a bit better, but I'm gonna just go ahead and finish everything up, and I'll shoot a picture of it when it's done. Well, after the first round of pressure washing, it definitely looks a ton better. I think I'm gonna go and pick up another can of that stuff, get it all blasted up, clean it out a little bit better, because it's definitely far from perfect, but it looks a ton better than it did, that's for sure. So, thanks for watching, guys. Kind of a crappy video, I know, but I'm practicing my pressure washing skills because I'm picking up another project next week, and let's just say it's real crispy and real earthy. So I'll have a video for you guys hopefully next weekend on that one, and you guys can check it out. So thanks for watching. Bye.